your flight has been cancelled. 1 to 6, there is no flight available.
What is the nearest day on which a flight is available?
Till 10th of March, no flight is available.
Is a flight available on 10th of March?
As I see, 10th of March, no flight available.
What is the nearest day when the flight is available?
Till 14th of March, there is no flight available.
Okay, is flight available on 14th of March?
No, I checked now, till 19th, there is no flight available.
Okay, till 19th. Okay, is a flight available on 19th?
19th of March, there is no flight available.
Okay, what is the nearest day on which the flight is available? Is there any other option that I have?
No, sir.
My daughter is supposed to travel a couple of days from now by Go Air flight G8335 from Delhi to Mangalore. This ticket was booked almost a month back, and today is 28th of February 2021, and the date of travel is 2nd of March 2021. G8335 Go Air Delhi to Mangalore. I got a call from Go Air just a few minutes back that the flight is cancelled and the communication was not enough. So let us call up, the help desk or the customer care number of Go Air. So I'm going to call this number, which I got from the website of Go Air.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Go Air, India's leading low-cost carrier. India's leading low-cost carrier. For information in English, please press 1. Hindi mein jaan. If you are a customer, press 1. If you are a travel agent, for domestic travel, press 1. For internet, press 1. For flight status, press 2.
Okay, so let's try this once again. Okay, so let's choose another option from the IVR and let us see if it helps us.
Welcome to Go Air, India's leading low-cost carrier. For information in English, please press 1. If you are a customer, press 1. For domestic travel, press 1. Press 1 for flight status. Press 2 for cancellation or rebooking. This call might be recorded for training and quality purpose.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Go Air. My name is Vaibhav. How may I help you?
Hi, may I know your good name?
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav. Okay, Vaibhav, I received a communication, a call basically from your side that, the flight in which my daughter is supposed to travel got cancelled. Should I give you the PNR so that you can fetch the details?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, so the PNR is S as in Singapore,
Okay.
numeric 4,
4.
M as in mango, P as in pilot,
Okay.
J as in Japan,
J.
and I as in India.
I reconfirming your PNR from my end.
Yeah.
S as in sugar, number 4, M as in Mike, P as in Papa, J as in Juliet, I as in India. Is this right?
That's correct.
Okay. Kindly be online.
Sure.
Sir, you can contact us again so that you can check. May I know your complete name?
My name is Amit Sharma, but I'm not the passenger.
Okay. So as you tell, you are a father of the traveler.
That's right.
Each and every details in this PNR itself. So whenever you contact, may I address you by your first name?
Of course you can.
Amit, for verification purpose, may I know departure city and arrival city?
Departure is from Delhi and arrival is in Mangalore.
Okay. May I know registered contact number?
It's the same that I'm calling you from.
Okay. Thank you for verification, Amit. So, I tell you, your flight has been cancelled due to operational reasons. Sorry for inconvenience. In this scenario, from our end, we give you two alternate options. Either you reschedule your reservation plus minus 4 days, one time free of cost, or else you will get full refund for your reservation.
So one time free of cost, what does that mean?
Means from our end, in plus minus 4 days, we reschedule your reservation.
So free of cost, what does free of cost mean? That will you refund whatever I've paid you already, or what is free of cost?
Free of cost means you get rebooking your reservation from our end. That free of cost in that for plus minus 4 days.
Okay, so you mean to say that if I reschedule my flight within plus minus 4 days, okay,
It's
I will.
free of cost.
Okay, I don't have to pay anything additional, right?
No. Yes, right.
And so but I won't get any so whatever I paid you is already paid, right? So I don't have to pay anything more. So it's not free of cost, it's at no additional cost.
No, right, exactly.
Okay, all right. So can you please check what are the alternate options available closest to the scheduled flight?
Okay. Kindly be online.
Sure.
Amit, as I see in next from 1 to 6, there is no flight available for Delhi to Mangaluru.
Okay, so when is the nearest day? What is the nearest day on which a flight is available?
Okay, I tell you. As I see, till 10th of March, no flight is available
Okay,
for Delhi to Mangaluru.
okay, is a flight available on 10th of March?
As I see, 10th of March, no flight available.
When is the nearest? What is the nearest day when the flight is available?
Okay. Okay, kindly be online. Till 14th of March, there is no flight available.
Okay,
As
is flight available on 14th of March?
no, I checked now, till 19th, there is no flight available.
Okay, till 19th. Okay, is a flight available on 19th?
19th of March, there is no flight available.
Okay, what is the nearest day on which the flight is available?
Okay, I tell you. Kindly be online.
Yeah.
Okay. As I see, the flight available for Delhi to Mangalore on 27th of March.
On 27th of March, which is almost 1 month from now, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so in that case, what do you suggest, Abhishek?
Vaibhav.
Webhub, yeah, sorry. What should we? Yeah.
So you can refund it,
Okay, I can.
and you will get refund as soon as possible.
Okay, what does as soon as possible mean?
7 to 10 working days.
7 to 10 working days.
Yes.
Okay, can you put this passenger onto another airline?
No, sir.
Webhub, this booking was made 1 month back, and there was a special students discount that was applied to it, right? And the flight costed us 5,300 rupees. But if we book it right now, because it's now just 2 days to go, right? If we book with another airline, it's going to cost at least 15,000 rupees, right? So because it's a cancellation that has happened from airline, and I'm not making any changes to the flight, right? So should it not be reasonable for me to expect that you'll put me on to a different flight?
Sir, from our end, we cannot book flight in other airlines because we cannot. मतलब हमारा टाई अप नहीं है उनके साथ, तो हमारे ओर से उनके साथ रिबुक नहीं कर सकते उनके साथ. हमारे यहाँ अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस होते हैं भाई, आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं.
Okay, is this call being recorded for the quality purpose?
Yes.
Okay, may I know the reference ID of this call?
So there is no reference ID. You can feedback.
Okay, no. May I know your employee ID in that case?
No, sir.
May I know the time right now?
2:33 p.m.
2:33 p.m. And what is the date today?
28 February.
28th February. And we are in India, right? It's in Indian Standard Time.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you're saying that the flight is not going on the scheduled date, and there is no other flight available. So you're giving me a facility to reschedule it free of cost, but there is no other flight available in which I can reschedule, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Yeah, so please process the refund.
So,
There is no other option that you're giving me, right?
okay.
Is there any other option that I have?
No, sir.
So then,
So,
Yeah.
you want to refund for this reservation. Should I proceed?
yes, please proceed.
Okay. May I place your call on hold for your further process?
Okay,
Okay. Kindly be online, Amit.
sure.
Thank you for being online, Amit.
Yes, please.
So, after your request, your refund has been processed from our end.
Mm-hmm.
So, your refund amount will be 5,536 rupees. You will get with the same mode of payment
Okay,
in 7 to 10 working days. So, you will get your updated e-ticket on your registered email address.
updated e-ticket.
Updated means cancellation e-ticket.
Okay, okay, great, wonderful.
Okay. Is there anything else apart from this?
Well, so is there? Can you check what other airline I can book through? What are the
So
flights?
from our end, we check only for Go Air.
Only for Go Air. So can you not check any other airline just to let me know that what other options are available to me, just to check that because somebody has been troubled because of the cancellation of flight by the airline. So would you like to at least
From our end,
check?
we check only for Go Air, sir.
No, of course, I'm not expecting you to make a booking in another airline. Can you at
Yes,
least
sir,
check what are the other options available for me? Any flight that you would like to suggest that I can take?
सर हमारे यहाँ से सिर्फ Go Air का हैंडलिंग होता है, बाकी किस एयरलाइन का नहीं होता,
Okay.
तो वो चेक नहीं कर सकते.
Okay, so which means there is no responsibility, no further responsibility that you have, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. On a serious note, you are a great call center agent. Okay, you are being recorded. Okay, and I must tell you that this kind of situation is not easy to handle. Okay, but you are handling it with a lot of patience. Okay, my feedback is extremely negative for Go Air, but it is quite positive for you as a person, as an individual, as an employee of Go Air. Okay.
So thank you for your valuable feedback and thank you for choosing Go Air. And my name is Vaibhav.
Sure,
Have a
Vaibhav.
great day.
Vaibhav, thank you so much. You have a great day.